Look at this ride. Come on, Aaron. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a qualified ride for Aaron Roy? Woo. Remember, as we await the numbers coming in right here, remember Cooper Davis has a combined 175 and a half on two bulls. Aaron Roy just scored 90 and a half points. And with that 90 and a half point score, Aaron Roy is now 178 on two.